Want to write an email now but send it later, automatically? With the Gmail app on iPhone running iOS 26, you can schedule emails to be sent at the perfect time, whether it's for work, reminders, or birthdays. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Gmail app and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap the menu icon. That's the three short lines in the top left corner of the inbox. From the side menu, scroll and tap Scheduled. This is where all your scheduled emails will live once created. Now, to create a new scheduled message, tap the Compose button, the round pencil icon at the bottom right corner. Start by entering the recipient's email address, subject, and your message. To attach files, tap the paperclip icon in the top right corner of the Compose screen. You can choose from different file types, tap Photos to attach images from your gallery, tap Camera to capture and attach something on the spot, or choose Files or Drive if you want to send documents or cloud-based files. Once your message is ready, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. From the options that appear, tap Schedule Send. Here you can choose from preset options like tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, or Monday morning, or tap Pick Date and Time to choose an exact date and time that fits your needs. Before sending, you also have the option to make your email more secure. Tap Confidential Mode from the same menu. Toggle it on, set an expiration time for the message, and, if needed, require a passcode for extra protection. You can choose between a standard passcode or an SMS passcode. Non-Gmail users will receive a passcode via email to open the message. Once everything looks good, tap Save, then tap Send. Your email is now scheduled. It'll sit in the Scheduled folder and will be delivered automatically at the exact time you picked. No reminders needed. And that's it. If this helps you get more out of Gmail on your iPhone, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.